Stop it. Get some help.
See, my nose.
No.
It's my face. But you to try.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that did.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Marvelous, and I'm back again with another video. Today I will be pranking Brian with the fake sneeze prank. Really, guys, this is serious, like really serious, because Brian, he hates such things. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this prank is going to be serious. Right now he's in the sitting room. He just got back from school, so he's having dinner right now. So he's in the sitting room eating. So yes, I have with me this empty sanitizer, this spray bottle. It's completely empty. I even washed it, so I will fill this up with water and let's see how it goes. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, you just seen this video for the first time, you know what to do. Yes, smash that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome to the channel. So guys, let's quickly get into this video. Let me fill this up with water and then I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Say go. Okay. What's that?
It's fighting. Yes. It's
Okay. See what we got here. So please, can you reduce the volume a little bit? It's too loud. Okay, thank you. I'll see you. It's gonna be a great day.
It's about to go down.
Oh my God!
See, my nose.
Sneeze my face.
sorry.
Mommy, what is sneeze?
Sorry. Now my nose. My nose. It's my nose, okay?
Mommy,
Oh.
yes, that is.
Oh, thank you. Why turn into that? Sit down. Sit.
Okay. Mommy,
No?
I want a bed.
No, stay like this. You just finished eating, so you have to wait for your food to digest and you lie down, okay?
Really, nigga?
Okay. Mommy,
Watch your cartoon.
we look down and go.
Yes, you need to go down, then you can stay. Okay? Okay.
It's going. This is you, Mommy.
Thank you, Ossia.
No, Mommy, I say this is you, I attack you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, for you. Yeah.
People, boy.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Boy. You like boy?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Mommy,
Hmm?
why you not give me my choice?
I'll give you choice.
Yes, sir, Mommy.
Thank you.
Attack you. This is you.
Oh, did I sneeze on your face?
No.
Oh, okay. You okay?
Yeah, this is you.
Дякую, Ося.
Oh, Mom.
What's happening? Where is the smoke coming from? Like sneezing too much.
Got him! Got him!
What happened?
Why is there your phone?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. It's my nose, okay? Please help me check. My nose is okay?
Yes. What?
No.
You speak like this?
Yes, it's water.
What?
Hey!
Mommy.
It's a prank, Osi. I prank you.
I can do it.
See the camera there. Hey, not my phone. Hey.
Mommy.
Okay, I got you. Osi, say I got you. Say I got you.
Stop.
I got you. I got this boy. I got this boy.
Mommy.
I got you. Say I got you.
I get you.
Hey, Osi, are you angry?
No, I'm happy.
Yes, he's happy. It's okay. It's just water, yes?
Mommy,
It's just water, yeah?
why you doing a sneeze?
Sorry, my boy.
Yes, water. A phone.
Okay. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say subscribe. Say like, share, subscribe. Say like, share, subscribe. Okay, yeah, bye.
Bye.